What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Steam support. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Steam or you can type in stores.steampowered.com. In both the cases, you will be welcome to the main dashboard of Steam. Now from here, you can install Steam or you can just simply log in with your email and password. Now, after logging in, just simply click on this support button, or if you don't want to log in, if you want to directly need to contact the support team, you can even contact it directly by clicking on support. And first, it will ask you sign in your Steam account to review purchases, account status, and get personalized help. So, if you want personalized help or you want your contact support on your account status, then you have to sign in into the Steam. And from here, as you can see, here are the topics to ask support for. If you are facing some issues regarding to these topics, so you can just click on them and just simply find the solution. And then if you have another problem, you can just search your issues, features, and games that you want. And this is how you can contact the Steam support. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.